In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a sheet in Google Sheets. Whether you're tidying up for a new project or just want a fresh start without creating a whole new file, clearing your sheet properly ensures a clean workspace. I'll guide you through a couple of effective methods to achieve this, each with its own benefits. So let's dive in. The first method we'll explore is creating a brand new sheet. This approach is straightforward and definitely the simplest, especially if you're aiming for a completely fresh start without any remnants of the previous work. To begin, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen within the Google Sheets interface. Here, you'll notice a plus sign. Clicking on this sign adds a new sheet to your spreadsheet file. Now that you have your blank canvas, you can easily remove the old sheet. Simply right-click on the name of the original sheet you want to clear, select Delete, and confirm your choice. This method is perfect when you want a quick wipe of everything, ensuring nothing from the old work remains, including both data and formatting. Now, let's move on to another technique, which is often necessary if you want to maintain the structure or the sheet's position within a larger workbook. In this case, you'll want to preserve the sheet itself, but clear its contents. Begin by selecting every cell on the sheet. To do this quickly, click on the small grey square at the top left corner of your sheet, where the row numbers and column letters meet. This action highlights all the cells at once. With everything selected, simply press the backspace key or the delete button on your keyboard. This action will immediately remove all the data from your sheet while keeping the formatting intact. So if you have any color coding or particular text styling in place, this method leaves them unaltered. However, if your goal is a completely clean sheet, including clearing the formatting, there's another step. With all cells selected again, press the Control key and the backslash key at the same time. This keyboard shortcut will strip away any formatting from your sheet, giving you a clean and unformatted canvas to start your new work. Both methods are effective depending on what you need. Starting afresh with an entirely new sheet or keeping the sheet but removing all data and formatting. It's great to have these options at your fingertips, enabling you to choose the best approach for your particular scenario. That's it for today's guide on how to clear a sheet in Google Sheets. I hope you found these methods helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to pause and replay sections as needed, and don't hesitate to practice these steps in your own spreadsheets. Thank you for watching and happy Googling.